cute KG class. Hello, good morning, assalamu alaikum. What sound we are going to learn today? D sound. You can see on your screen it's a D sound. After learning the pictures, start with the beginning sound D. I will tell you how to write the D. Alright, this is D sound. You have to start it from the arrow. जहाँ पर arrow आपने से वहाँ से start करना है. Alright, you can do. I know you can do. This is D sound. D. See me playing on my drum. Playing drum is a lot so fun with the da 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 da. Whenever you come to the class, I will tell you how to do the action of D, and it's quite so interesting and beautiful for you. Okay, how to do the action of sound D. Now I will show you the pictures with beginning sound D. A duck. What is this? Duck. Da, duck. Da, duck. Da, duck. Da, duck. Da, duck. Deer. Da, deer. Da, deer. Da, deer. What is this? Deer. Da, deer. Drum. Da, drum. As I told you, see me playing on my drum. Playing drum is a lot so fun with the da 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 da. Da, drum. Da, drum. Da, drum. Ooh, what is this? It's dinosaurs. It's dinosaurs. Dinosaurs. Da, dinosaurs. Da, dinosaurs. Da, dinosaur. Da, dinosaur. Da, dinosaur. Now keep learning all these pictures with the starting sound Da. You can find out some more picture. Yes, look around yourself and find out the pictures around yourself with the beginning sound Da, and tell me in the comments that what you find with the beginning sound Da. Today's page. Okay, look at this page. Here you can see a duck. Yes. You can do properly color. Yes, to the duck. पहले आप border lines पे color करेंगे. First do the border lines and then do color inside the duck, neat and clean. Now here you can see dotted duck. Okay, what you can see? Dotted duck. You have to write the dotted duck. Now open your eyes and carefully watch how to start the D sound. You have to start it from there. Okay, round, 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 down, round, round. Now go up. अब आपने बिल्कुल ऊपर चले जाना है. ठीक है, इसकी लॉन्ग से स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनानी है. अप एंड देन अगेन कम ऑन द सेम लाइन. अब आपने दूसरी लाइन क्रिएट नहीं करनी है, आपने इसी लाइन पे वापस आना है. डाउन, 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 डाउन एंड अ लिटिल फ्लिक.
Bat and bring your ball, Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. like this. Eh. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with a gurg, 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 gurg. I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Inky's wet. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Jab, 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 jab. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. We lick our lollipops. We lick our lollipops. Oh, 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 we lick our lollipops. The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. Hear the airplane, hear the airplane, hear the airplane, making lots of noise. Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh. Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, 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 puff. Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, puff, puff. See my puppy rip the rag, See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard. The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. When I watch the tennis game, when I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas, when it starts to rain. Try big span round the village. Try big span round the village. Try big span round the village. Ooh. I see the clouds moving. Wah, wah, wah. I see the kites flying. Wah, wah, wah. I see the trees bending. Wah, wah, wah. The wind is blowing Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah, 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 yeah. Did you ever hear a bee buzz?